The best food? Always on the street. Forget white tablecloths and fancy menus. Real food, honest food, food that tells a story. It's cooked on a corner over fire with love and passion, and sometimes a little sage. Just a pinch can transform a dish. Yeah, sage. Not just for Thanksgiving anymore, it's a global sensation. This herb, man, it's got history. Centuries of culinary and medicinal use. Ancient Romans, they were hip to it. Medicinal, magical, they said. They knew its power. Turns out they were onto something. Sage is still a culinary star. But we're not talking stuffy herbal tea here. We're talking bold flavors. We're talking sizzling street food, the kind that makes your taste buds dance. From Rome to Riyadh, sage is adding its earthy, peppery punch to dishes you won't soon forget. It's a culinary journey. Get ready to travel the world one bite at a time. Each bite tells a story. Okay, so sage. What's the deal? Why is everyone talking about it? This ain't your grandma's potpourri. This stuff is potent. Antioxidants. Check. Helps with memory. Maybe. Keeps vampires away. Can't hurt. Plus, it's got a rich history in traditional medicine. But more importantly, it tastes damn good. Seriously, it can elevate any dish. Earthy, a little piney, a hint of citrus. It's a flavor powerhouse. Cuts through rich flavors like a dream. Perfect for those hearty, comforting meals. No wonder it's been a culinary staple for centuries, from ancient times to modern kitchens. Think of it like this. Sage is the cool uncle who shows up to the family barbecue with a motorcycle and a leather jacket. Everyone else is grilling burgers. He's making something unexpected, something bold. Sage brings that extra flair. First stop, Rome, land of gladiators, emperors, and some seriously killer street food. Case in point, saltimbocca, thin slices of veal, prosciutto, sage. Simple, right? Wrong. See the sage. It ain't just there for looks. When the veal hits the pan, the sage releases its oils, infusing the meat with this incredible savory depth. One bite, you're transported back to ancient Rome, man. And don't even get me started on fried sage leaves. Crispy, salty, addictive. The perfect snack to munch on while you wander the cobblestone streets, soaking up the history. Section 4. Beyond the boot, sage across borders. This chapter explores the incredible journey of sage as it travels across different cultures and cuisines, enriching dishes with its unique flavor. But sage isn't just a one-trick pony, confined to the Italian peninsula. It has found its way into kitchens around the world, adding its aromatic touch to a variety of dishes. Oh no, this herb gets around. From Europe to Asia and beyond, sage has become a beloved ingredient in many culinary traditions. Head east, and you'll find it spicing up Turkish street food. Lamb skewers, seasoned with sage and smoky paprika, grilled over charcoal until crispy. Heaven. The combination of sage and paprika creates a flavor explosion that is simply irresistible. In the Middle East, sage adds a touch of mystery to savory pastries. Imagine biting into a warm, flaky pastry, filled with spiced lamb and fragrant sage. Your taste buds won't know what hit them. The herb's subtle earthiness perfectly complements the rich spiced lamb filling. And don't forget about North Africa. Tagines, slow-cooked stews, often feature sage alongside warming spices like cumin and coriander. The result, a culinary adventure in every bowl. The sage melds with the other spices, creating a complex and deeply satisfying flavor profile that transports you to another world. Section 5. Bringing sage home. So, you're back from your whirlwind street food tour, craving those bold, sage-infused flavors. Good news. You don't need a plane ticket to recreate the magic. Fresh sage is key. Find it at your local farmer's market or grocery store. Give it a sniff. The aroma should be earthy, slightly peppery. Sage is your culinary passport, ready to transport you to far-off lands with every bite. Don't be afraid to experiment. Fry it, chop it, infuse it into oils. Get cooking, explore, and most importantly, eat well. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.